Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, sim fans, race fans, RC fans, gadget fans. Racing 393. Gadgets. Yeah, my eBay store is called RC Gadgets and Toys. Mainly my channel does sim racing and RC, but I have got a new gadget which I've bought for the GoPro, which might help with various things that I do when I'm filming whatever. This is the second attempt at buying this. I bought the wrong one before, so that's on my eBay store. There's no point putting the link on here because by the time you get to see this, I think the original one will be sold. Maybe depends if they want to pay a minimum price for it. I mean, the other one was more expensive, but it was for a different camera. So anyway. So it's by GoPro. You can get these on the internet non-branded for a lot cheaper, but I haven't tried one of those, so I don't know what they're if they're any good or not. They seem to have a good history, but it's called the remote. So it's control your GoPro from the remote rather than pushing the button on the camera. And here it is. So that's a little remote. Yeah, you can probably see the screen there. It's got a little bit of charge on it. Typical charging lead, nothing spectacular, simple as. That's the end that sort of goes onto the GoPro, typical USB. You've seen them like forever. And there's a little strap. So you're supposed to, I suppose, wear this on your wrist and you can sort of do your GoPro, especially doing any sort of wacky X Games type sports, that's definitely not me. It's got a couple of modes on here, which I haven't actually gone through what the modes are, but I'm going to give you a brief overview. So this apparently, as far as I'm aware, well, it is waterproof, 5 meters. That's quite deep. I've never swum 5 meters down ever in my life, so 3 meters I think is about the limit. It's compatible with many of the GoPros. 7 black, 8 black, 9 black, which is what this is. Don't think it works on a 10. And I think they're up to 11 now, aren't they, GoPro? I bought the remote that worked on the other one, so it's in the small print. It's really weird on the GoPro website. You've got the list of cameras at the top, which is what you'd probably look at initially, and then you got a little plus button which was additional, and you're supposed to click them. For some reason, I just felt that there's only one remote. They all work. It's a GoPro. That's a GoPro pair. That didn't happen. I also bought a long life battery. The one in the camera that you get with the camera are renowned to be shit. They last about, well, mine's already going flat, and that went from, I don't know, sort of 59% a minute ago to now, and it's gone to yellow already. So, and that's only 4 minutes in. So that's crap. I bought the long life batteries, £24. Haven't tried it yet. I've charged it up. But hopefully what I'm hoping to achieve, well, if this is connected wirelessly like Bluetooth, which it is, that's going to take some power, so that's something to bear in mind. But what I will do, because I haven't actually used it yet, I used it to start the camera on this video recording, and it is only just recording standard film, so there's various different modes on there which I'll go through, but it's just mainly for when I'm doing any recording outside, or perhaps this weekend with a BRCA national event, I can use this to do a little bit of recording, perhaps when I'm either driving there or driving to my hotel or in my hotel. I haven't actually got to be with pushing the camera button, so it's this is quite a godsend actually. I would recommend that. It's quite small. Sort of, I've got very big hands anyway, but you can see the palm of my hand there for sort of scalability. very small. It has got buttons on the side here. It's got a mode button. There's another button there and the on-off button. So there's an on-off button at the top. You can see that. And then it's got a couple of mode buttons here. Well, one's a mode. I'm not sure what that is. I can't see it in my eyes in this light, but I will read the more specifications on the details on this model, and I will give you a more fuller in-depth review of this once I've used it, because I haven't used it apart from this morning to put this on. The screen sort of mimics what I've got. But I was showing it before, I was trying to show it there, wasn't I? But if I show it there, you can see it perhaps on the actual camera. But it mimics what I've got on my screen here anyway. So I've got the additional window mount for my GoPro, which is what the camera's on at the moment. That'll just sit in the car, to be fair. And I've got the normal tripod GoPro stand, which I've always had. So yeah, I think once I get this used, I better go through the modes and what this does, and I'll have a part 2 of this once I've used it for a bit and give you my sort of feedback. I think initially it's really good. You can sort of record from a distance. The other remote used to be able to control up to like 15 cameras, GoPro camera, I think, something like that. You can program it, so if you've got that many cameras, oh my God, how much would that cost? But if you've got all these cameras, you can control each one individually. I'm not sure how many this one can control. It doesn't actually say on there. So just to sort of clarify, this is compatible with the Hero 9 Black, Hero 8 Black, and the Max. I'm pretty sure there's a few more involved in that. So that's going to be it for now. I'll update this in part 2. Let me know what you think. If you've got one of these, what do you think? Are they any good? I don't think I would wear it on my wrist. It'd be in the way. It's it's not very big, but on your wrist, like that. We'll see. Anyway, we'll get some more use out of this, and I'll let you know. I look tired. I am tired. Open your eyes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I shall speak to you in part 2. At some point after I've had a bit of use in this product. Thanks very much, and bye for now.